welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Marian Zhao, wife, a mom of four, real estate investor, and entrepreneur. So today is like, I think the 1 month update of Unit 1 in the duplex. So let me show you what we've done so far. So this is, as soon as you walk in, this is like a little lobby. And then this is gonna be the door to Unit 1. This will be the door to Unit 2. When you open this, you just see steps right upstairs. So let me show you what we did with Unit 1. So you walk right into the living room. This door is going down to the basement. Remember, we had a railing here, so we built the wall, and then we put a door here so that we have private access to the basement. That's where all the washing machine and the supplies is gonna be. And then now look at this living room. It's so nice. We made it black and white. All the trim and stuff is black. So this is gonna be the black and gold Airbnb. This is my favorite part of this part. Look at this fireplace. Josh, you gotta put this in. So this is the fireplace. You're gonna have a nice little TV, 65-inch TV right up here. But I feel like this is a really, really nice wall factor. And then we haven't put the flooring in yet, so that's like the last part to do with this unit. And then let me show you this. And then we're gonna flush this wall out, so it's just a wall. And we're going to put a nice little, it's gonna be like a nice little foyer. Look at this right here. So this is our accent wall. It's really, really pretty. It's actually my first time seeing it. It was done like 3 weeks ago. And seeing it in person, it looks so much better than seeing it through the pictures because this wall is huge. Look how big the wall is. Look at me by the wall. It's huge. It's beautiful. Came out so nice. We're probably gonna put a nice little accent table right here, or maybe like a little sofa, make it a little sitting area, because this is a 1-bedroom unit. And remember, this whole space was open. We put the French doors there. We're actually gonna build a wall at the top to frame this off, and then we're gonna put French doors right here for the master bedroom. So this would be like, this is how you would get into the bedroom. So you got the French doors that we added. We close it off, so we put the doors. There's no light in them.
Not yet.
And then we added this beautiful chandelier. I love that chandelier. And then we did black and white in the room. So that's the whole theme of this unit. It's gonna be a black and white unit. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. There's no light in here right now, so you can't really see, but this chandelier is fire. Oh, we still have to add the light bulbs. So this room has 1 closet. And then look at the little details. We got gold doorknobs. Like, we really going all out. We not like jumping corners. We're literally, look at this. This is beautiful. We got some doorknobs here. Probably put some kind of curtain so you have privacy. But this is really, really nice. And this is a really big bedroom with high ceilings too. I love it. And then look at the bathroom.
You gotta take that out.
Okay. The bathroom has light. So this is bathroom number 1. Getting rid of the ugly red tub. Getting rid of everything in this bathroom. So it's gonna be total rehab of the bathroom. So this was a really ugly red tub. So we replaced everything in here. We put some really nice picket, I think this is called picket tiles. This is a black and gold bathroom. We moved the toilet over there because it was better with the spacing, and just, we put a really nice, I think we want to move these and make it like gold handles. And then look at the detailing on the light. The detailing on that. That's really, really pretty. You're just missing the mirror. Look at the detailing on it. Look at that. That's that. I think that's called the shower waterfall faucet or whatever. Look at the detailing. That's fire. I mean, it's all a little dusty. This is nice. We put the toilet over here. So we're actually waiting for the more tile so we could like tile up this whole area. He even painted these black for me, so it's nice little detailing in this bathroom. Look at the flooring. Then you come out As soon as you open the bathroom doors, you come out to the accent wall. This wall is fire. And then let me show y'all the flooring. So this is the flooring that we're using throughout the whole house. So I wanted to do herringbone pattern, but this is a lot of complications. It's not hardwood floor, so we're just gonna go straight across the room. It's just easier that way. And that's what we're gonna do. I think that's all that this is missing. Look at that chandelier. That chandelier is fire. Ooh, that look nice. All right, let me take y'all to the kitchen. I got something in the kitchen I need to see. Fireplace is fire. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little clip of it lit up. It looks really nice. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So we're gonna get rid of this door right here and put a nice little island here so it's open to the living room, make it feel some more spacious. This refrigerator is in a weird spot, so we're gonna tuck this refrigerator. I'm gonna put a little picture of the before. Look at this farmhouse sink. This shit is fire. Look at this. So we put the little gold handles right here. Got a gold sink. And look at this. Ooh. Once we put this in there like this, oh my God, this is beautiful. Once the house is done, I'll put links, or maybe in this video, I'll put links of things that we bought in the description bar below. So we got the dishwasher. I think we're replacing the stove. We have a refrigerator that we're gonna put right here. Countertop people are gonna come next week so they could get their little template. This is just gonna be beautiful quartz across this whole thing. And in this area, we're gonna have a nice little dining table. But I love the way it's coming out. This black and gold unit is coming out so nice. I have so many favorites in this unit. Look at this. This is beautiful. And that's pretty much it for the first floor unit. I'm gonna put a little clip of this. But what I wanted to show you was like the little detailing. Like, look at this doorknob. We got these doorknobs. I think off the Amazon or Home Depot is really nice and sturdy. It's like pretty, like we ain't cut no corners. So tell me what you would have done differently. And tell me if you like this. Would you stay in this Airbnb? We got the recessed light and running through, so it's literally bright everywhere. Coming out nice. So the next time I send you guys an update, you're gonna see the flooring, you're gonna see the countertops. So tell me what you guys think. Let me bring you guys back to this. This is so nice. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me hold this. This is nice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Next video, this will be mounted. We're gonna have nice, beautiful countertops in here and flooring will be installed. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.